250 years. To every American who served, and to everyone who came before us to build this great nation, thank you. We stand on your shoulders. To honor 250 years, I'm tearing down things that have been around that long, and many still work today. Take this ship, the USS Constitution. They called her Old Ironsides for a reason. Her hull is layered oak nearly 2 feet thick. Enemy cannonballs literally bounced off her sides. Launched 17 Nineman Hart's shipyard in Boston at Edmund Hart Shipyard in Boston. 3 years to build her. The hull is Georgia live oak, twice as dense as regular oak, held together with wooden pegs and copper spikes made by Paul Revere. 3 towering masts, miles of rope rigging, and nearly an acre of canvas sails. No engine, the wind did all the work. The main mast, 220 feet tall. One single white pine from Maine, tall enough to touch the clouds. Below deck, rows of heavy iron cannons, more than 50 guns. In battle after battle, Old Ironsides never lost. This double wheel steered her. Ropes ran below deck to a massive wooden rudder. In rough seas, it took 4 sailors to hold her. The captain's quarters, the great cabin at the very stern. Private windows over the wake, chart table, sword rack, his own bunk, where he ate, slept, and planned battles. And under everything, the keel, her backbone. One great line of timber, laid first, holding the whole ship straight and strong. She's still a commissioned U.S. Navy warship today, with a real active-duty crew, and she can still sail. Still here after 250 years. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me what I should tear down next. Happy 250th, America.